And welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 2 of SAS recently launched Excel 2019 course. Focusing on XP19 Excel, chapter 2 ML1 game collection number 2. Here is project description. You can see project description to get idea about your project. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course. I will provide you a test grade. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Step number 1 is about start assess file. Open the download assess the name XP19 assess chapter 2 ML1 game creator. Basically, this step we will have to download the assess file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded assess file from IT Lab dashboard. You can download your assess from your IT Lab dashboard. Okay, you can see I have already downloaded. I have done the first step. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that open the games table and review the field containing the game information. Close the table. Create a new table in design view. Add the field name, system ID and select auto number as the data type. Add the caption system ID. Set the system ID field as the primary key for the table. Basically in this step we will have to create a new table in design view. Go to games and then close it. Open the games table and review the and close it. Then create a new table in the design view. Create a new table in design view. Go to create. Go to table design. Its new table will be created. Then add the field name, system ID and select auto number as the data type. Add the field name, system ID and select auto number as the data type. Select first field as a system ID and data type is auto number. And then we will add second field. Okay, data type auto number. Okay, we will have to enter second field system ID. Add the caption. Add the caption system ID. Go to the caption, then add system ID. Go to the caption and system ID. Okay, and system ID. Set the system ID field as the primary key for the table. Set the system ID field as the primary key for the table. System ID primary key. Okay, it will be done. I have done two steps of this assignment. You can see second step is completed. Now moving on to step number 3. Step number 3 is that add a second field name, system name with the short text data type. Change the system name field size property to 15. Add the caption system name. Save the table as a system. Basically, in this step we will have to add a second field name as a system name. Okay, go to assess workbook. Then we will have add a second field as a system name. Then our data type is short text data type. We will have enter short text data type. Then change the system name field size property to 15. Okay. System name. Feed size is 15. Add the caption system name. Save the table as system. Add the caption. We will have to add a caption as system name. Add the caption as a system name. System name. System. Save the table as a system. Save table as a system. Right click on this, then save the table as a system. Change this name as system. Okay, okay. It will be yes. It will save okay. It's done. I have done 3 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 4. You can see 3 steps is completed of this assignment. Now moving on step number 4. Okay, system name. Then open. Then delete this. Okay. System name table delete. Okay. Save the table as system. Okay. Sorry. Previous step. Save the table as system. Right click on this. Save table 1 as system. Okay. Done. It will be saved as a system. Table will be saved as a system name. Okay. I have done this step. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that switch to datasheet view and enter the following system name, letting access assign the system ID. Xbox 360 PS3 will www. Okay. Xbox 360 switch datasheet view, enter system name. Okay, we will add this table. Xbox 360 PS3 Xbox 360 datasheet view, enter following system. Xbox 3. Okay. System name Xbox 360 PS3. Then PS3 system, we will have to our system name here PS3, and third system name is WY. And fourth system name is PC game NEC. Sorry, NEC. And fourth system name NEC, and system name is PC game. And sixth system name is five system name is PC game, and sixth system name is Netrunner 3DS. Okay, I have all added here system name. You can see here. Now double click to border to the right of the system name column to set the column way to best fit. Save and close the table. We will double click on right of the column system name. Double click on right of the column system name. Okay, and column set way column way to best fit. Save as close. Okay, right click on this, save as closed. Okay, it's done. This step is completed now. I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 5. You can contact me for your assignment help, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. I will provide you a plus grade in your assignment and complete course. Okay, go to just read this. Create a new. Step number 5 is that create a new table In design view, add the field name categories. Okay, table in design view, create a name category ID and select auto number as the data type. Add a field name as a category ID, field name and category ID. Okay, field name as category and auto number data type. Type add a caption as a category ID and caption as a category ID. Caption as category ID. Set the category field as the primary key for the table. Okay. Add primary key. Okay, it's done now. You can see here. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Moving on step number 6. Sixth step is that add a second field name, categories description, and accept short text as the data type. Change the field size property 25. Add the caption categories description. Save the table as a categories. Basically, in this step we will have to add a second field name as a category description. Okay, we will have to add a second field name as a category description. Add second field as a category description. Okay, and accept short text as a data type. Add short text as a data type. Change the field size to 25. Short text as data. Category description. Change the field size 25. Okay, it's done. Add the caption categories description. We will have to add a caption as a category description. Caption is that category description. Okay, done now. Save the table as a category. Save the table as a category. Save, right click on this, save table as a category. Okay, it will be saved. Close it. Okay, done. I have done this step now. I have done 6 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 7. Step number 7 is that switch to datasheet view and enter the following categories description. Total step of this assignment is 15. Now I am on 7th step. Switch the datasheet view and enter the following categories. Okay, categories and category description. Category description, let's assign the categories ID. First category description as action, then we will add second is that adventure, second is that adventure, and we will have add to a third will have arcade, then racing. Okay, third will be add here. Now moving on. Now add 5 rhythm. Okay, now add 6 as role playing. 9, 7th is that simulation. 7th is that simulation, and 8 is that sports. Add this category description, then close the table. Right click on categories and close the table. Okay. You can see a total step of this assignment is 15. I have done 8 step of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp or email. Both are given in description. I will provide you A+ grade. I have done this courses for my student in previous year, and I will provide their 90+ and A+ grade in your assignments and complete course. I will provide you 100% grades in your course. You can contact me. My WhatsApp link and email are given in description. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.